Welcome to June, a month of deep reflection and vibrant celebration. This is National Ocean Month, a time to honor the vast, life-sustaining waters that cover our planet. It is also the National Month of outdoor activities in nature, encouraging us to reconnect with the natural world. And of course, we celebrate Father's Day, a tribute to the unwavering love and dedication of fathers everywhere. As we step into nature's embrace, let's practice the principles of grace, gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. These values guide us in nurturing our relationship with the environment and each other. Gratitude. Let's appreciate the beauty and abundance of our oceans and forests, the rhythmic waves, the towering trees, the vibrant wildlife. They are gifts that enrich our lives. Show gratitude by preserving these treasures for future generations. Respect. Every action we take impacts the planet. Respect nature by reducing waste, conserving water, and protecting wildlife. Teach your children the importance of living in harmony with the earth. Accountability. We are all stewards of this planet. Take responsibility for your actions. Make sustainable choices and inspire others to do the same. Together, we can create a healthier and cleaner world. Courage. It takes courage to stand up for the environment and make changes in our lives. Be bold in your efforts to protect our oceans and natural spaces. Lead by example and encourage others to follow. Engagement. Get involved in your community. Participate in local conservation efforts. Educate others about the importance of protecting nature and foster a sense of responsibility in the next generation. And as we celebrate Father's Day, let's honor the fathers who nurture and guide the children with forever love and dedication. Just as a father provides for and protects his family, let's protect and cherish our planet, ensuring it thrives for generations to come. This June, let's embrace the spirit of grace, show gratitude for the natural world, respect and protect our environment, be accountable for our actions, have the courage to make a difference, and engage with our communities. Together, we can create a legacy of love and stewardship. Happy National Ocean Month, National Month of Outdoor Activities, and happy Father's Day.